Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analysts initiate viewpoint coverage on Carysil, Asia's only maker of quad sinks with a positive view. Favorable valuation and earning turnaround make him expect a 20% upside. The company has a distinct edge in the manufacturing technology for quad sinks that raises entry barriers and aids market share gains. It has marquee client association which include Cross and Karen, Grow and IKEA. Its focus on deepening each in the UK, US and Europe besides entry into newer geographies has generated strong demand that it would cater to with doubling of its sink capacities. An inbuilt appliance portfolio, wider dealer networks and focus on B2B sales would ascertain over 30% CAGR in domestic revenues over the next 3 years. Next on radar is Chalet Hotels. Chalet Hotels posted a strong recovery in the performance with revenues and EBITDA growing by 2.2 times and 4.6 times respectively in FY23. With room demand expected to stay ahead of room supply, Chalet's hotel business revenue and EBITDA are expected to clock CAGR of 19% and 22% respectively over FY23 to FY25 estimates. With addition of 2.6 million square feet, annuity business revenues and EBITDA is expected to grow at CAGR of 84% and 89% respectively over FY23 to FY25 estimates. With expected asset sweetening, the cash flows will improve and take care of capex requirement and bear some debt, which will lead to consistent improvement in the return profile in the coming years. ROE to improve to 20.6% and ROCE to improve to 14.9% in FY25 versus 9.9 and 5.5% in FY23. The stock trades at an attractive valuation of 12.3 times its FY24 EV by EBITDA and 9.9 times its FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.